Welcome to N5 Grammar Lesson 12.
N5 文法授業12へようこそ。
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In this lesson, we will be learning transitive and intransitive verbs.
他動詞
These are transitive verbs. These are verbs that can make sense alone, so there is no need of an object. An example would be,
私は立ちます。
this means I stand.
自動詞
This means intransitive verbs. These are verbs that require objects. An example would be,
私は書類を送りました。
this means I sent a document. Now, let's start with
他動詞
or transitive verbs. So these are verbs
人が変化を加える
or when a person changes something. An example would be,
私は窓を閉めます。
this means I close the windows. Another example would be,
私は電気を消します。
this means that I turn off the power or electricity. Now let's go to
自動詞
or intransitive verbs. So these are verbs that
変化する
or something changes itself. An example would be,
窓が閉まります。
this means that the window closes. So these are verbs that do by themselves. So there is no human changing anything here.
電気が消えます。
This means that the power or electricity goes off. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
ランドリー
ありがとうございます。
Thank you